Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone POCO X6 Pro. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 1.5K AMOLED display, 6.67 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 90.1% screen to body ratio, approximately 446 ppi pixel density, 1800 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10 plus support, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 64 megapixel OIS main camera, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, and with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 24, 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30, 60 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, up to 3.35 GHz, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset, paired with Mali G615MC6 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.45 by 74.34 by 8.25, 8.35 millimeters, and it weighs around 190 grams. And the color options black, gray, yellow colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 67 watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, with stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, NFC, IR blaster, IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi POCO X6 Pro has been priced for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 26,999 Indian rupees, and 91,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $299, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 28,999 Indian rupees, and 98,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $369. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Xiaomi POCO X6 Pro smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.